We use chips every single day. They power our phones, computers, cars, satellites, and even artificial intelligence. But have you ever wondered what actually lies inside one? Today, we're going on a journey into one of the greatest engineering achievements in human history. A chip is more than just a black box. It's a complex world of silicon, transistors, and connections. Removing the protective shell unveils the silicon die, the heart of the chip, connected by delicate wires. This is the silicon die, the true heart of the chip. Although it measures only a few millimeters across, it contains billions of transistors and incredibly complex electronic circuits. Almost everything we call computing happens inside this tiny piece of silicon. From the chip package to the microscopic world, each layer reveals a new level of complexity. At this scale, the chip begins to resemble a carefully planned city. Every tiny structure you see is a transistor. Together, billions of these microscopic switches work in perfect coordination, forming the foundation of every digital device we use today. So what exactly is a transistor? Think of it as an incredibly tiny electronic switch. It controls the flow of electricity, turning current on and off billions of times every second. Alone, a transistor is simple. Together, billions of them create intelligence. Transistors are incredibly small, much tinier than a human hair, yet they are the building blocks of technology. Transistors cannot work alone. They must constantly communicate with one another. Above them lies a network of microscopic metal layers that carry electrical signals throughout the chip. Just as roads connect a city, these metallic highways connect billions of transistors into one functioning system. A modern chip is organized into specialized regions. Some areas perform calculations, others store data, process graphics, manage communication, or accelerate artificial intelligence. Like departments within a city, each section has its own responsibility, yet all work toward a common goal. Every modern technology depends on this hidden world. Smartphones, hospitals, electric vehicles, communication networks, satellites, even artificial intelligence. Behind every breakthrough are billions of tiny transistors working together, silently and reliably. Today's AI revolution is possible because chips have become extraordinarily powerful. Modern AI processors contain tens of billions of transistors performing massive numbers of calculations every second. From language models and autonomous vehicles to intelligent robots and smartphones, advanced chips have become the computational engine behind modern artificial intelligence. Creating a chip is among the most demanding manufacturing processes ever developed. Engineers work at nanometer precision inside ultra-clean environments where even a tiny dust particle can destroy an entire chip. It takes years of research, thousands of process steps, and billions of dollars to manufacture the advanced processors that power our world. At PSC, we explore the world of chips, unlocking their potential to transform technology and society. Understanding chips opens new possibilities for innovation, improvement, and imagination. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside the chip. From the package to the silicon die, from microscopic structures to billions of transistors, we've uncovered one of the most remarkable technologies ever created. But this is only the beginning. In the next episode, we'll discover how a chip is actually born, from raw silicon to the advanced processors powering our digital world. Until then, stay curious, keep exploring, and keep discovering the science that shapes our future.